around 5 in the morning. We got up at like 20 to 5 and we're currently waiting for sunset. No kangaroos yet. We did see some. Here he is, Mr. Finicky. We're currently waiting for sunrise for those who didn't pick up at the fact that it's 5 in the morning. Seen 2 kangaroos, but they're not on the beach. So we're just waiting for like that iconic. I don't even know what. It's so early. That iconic photo, video of them bouncing along. Very Australian. We've got a duck so far. I'm not sure a duck counts. We had no kangaroos at sunrise. However, we'd just come back to the room to get ready for our day. And look at this. They are everywhere.
About a month on it. But it's a very, very big park, 167 hollow bones in a lot of their bodies, especially then. And my son and myself have got the vibe to go back there. Just going to go into what our Everglades is all about. And this is very, very fresh water here. The origin of it.
So we've just got back from canoeing down the Everglades. We did like a little boat tour. We didn't see many animals. We heard a lot. We heard a lot of animals. We saw a little blue kingfisher. We saw was it a tawny frogmouth?
Yeah.
Saw 2 of those. And me and Nathan almost got divorced on our canoe trip. But we are here to tell the tale and got well-deserved pints. But what did you think?
Yeah, it was really good. 5k on the water is a lot further than 5k on a walk.
Yeah,
it is. Really good.
I'll remind him of that when we do go on a walk and he whinges. But accessibility-wise, what did you think?
Yeah, spot on. No complaint.
Man of many words. Few things. So you had to walk onto the boat. So I think obviously if you're not mobile, you might struggle. They did have an option that you didn't have to canoe. So you could just stay on the boat if you're not feeling up to it. 5k is a lot. And I mean, I would like to say I'm quite active. You're quite active as well, obviously in a very different way, but it is a lot of work. And it's quite a nice drive up the boat anyway. You do get to a point, toilets are not nice. The toilets were not good at all. I don't know what I was expecting. People had said the toilets are not nice, but this was next level, not nice. They're also upstairs as well.
Oh, were they?
Yeah, so I would say hold it if you can. We also went for a swim, but obviously getting off a tiny little boat isn't easy. Nathan jumped.
Getting off was the easy bit.
Getting back on, not so easy. But overall, I mean, like a lot of what we did was optional. So I don't think you'd have any issues getting, as long as you can get on the boat, you're okay.
Yeah, I mean, it was a gangplank, wasn't it, initially, over the sort of first bit of sand. So wheelchair bound would be a no-go. But,
no, I'm sure they find a way.
Yeah.
About Nathan, he said if we have to chuck him on, we'll get him on.
Yeah, but pretty much.
We didn't in the end. And then for canoeing, you just have to be able to swim a little bit, is what they said. So to be fair, I probably had less chance getting on than Nathan did. But we did it.
Just in case, really.
Yeah, in case you go over. We didn't go over. We were fully dry, apart from when we swam. We're here for the sunset. And it looks so pretty. Still no kangaroos. I don't know if we're going to get the iconic video, but it is stunning. Sunset take 2 in Noosa. Still no kangaroos. However, we have got much more of a sunset this morning.
And it's not sunset on the morning.
Oh my god. Sunrise take 2. So still don't have kangaroos, but it is a much more beautiful sunrise this morning. Not as much colour, but it is stunning. And look at the lake, because it literally reflects. It's like a mirror. finally saw a kangaroo sunrise hop. Sunrise, not sunset. So cute. Just about to leave Habitat. We're actually really sad to leave because we've loved it here. It's just so peaceful. Like, there's not loads to do if you're not into outdoorsiness, but I think it's just so nice to get out and be with the nature. I can't believe I'm saying that, but like, you know, we're not really that outdoorsy at home, but we've given things a go and we've loved it. And the sunrises are just beautiful. So many kangaroos, like we've absolutely loved it here. We're off to Noosaville, so we're off to Bounce, which is obviously iconic. Gonna be a very different vibe. As somebody said to me this morning, going from bush to bougie, that actually might be my new tagline. But yeah, I'm really sad to leave, but really looking forward to what's next.